Alrighty, folks, let's hit the road here. Try not to die. Ay, ay, ay. Oh boy. Here goes. Snowfalls like this are always fucking scary. I'm not gonna lie, they are fucking scary. Get my heartbeat going, and that is saying the least. I cannot wait till the fucking snow plows get out this time of year. Yeesh. It's real funny, the city's like, oh yeah, our snow plow units, they're ready to go. And then we get out here with roads like this. I'm just like, where are the snow plows at? Please. Jesus Christ. Yeah, folks, you don't see this every day, to say the least. It's always the trucks that are the worst, honestly. Most scared about them, because they're like, ooh, we got four-wheel drive. I have one-wheel drive, bro. Oh, right here looks a little bit sketchy. Yeah, that's sketch. We're good. Yeah, it's time to play whose lane is it anyways. Oh, another sketchy spot. Right here, sketch. We're good. Oh, I'm not in the lane, I don't think. Yeah, that's what I mean. Time to play whose lane is it anyways. Ay, ay, ay. We definitely are playing that today. No doubt about it. Parts like this where it's just packed snow and ice, way better. I like it way more. I don't know what this car here is going to be doing, so I'm not going to pass him. Could try and sneak back into this lane. Never know, right? Yeah, it looks like he's going to. Never mind. I thought he was going to. I don't want to be beside any cars really either, so. Yeah, and it's this shit here that I really hate. This yellow, brownish type stuff. Okay, I'm gonna have to. Oh, he's going. Please go then, buddy. Do. Do. Heckin' sketch. And I think I'm gonna have to get into my left lane, which is not cool. Start braking. Whew. That was nerve-wracking. To say the least. Oh boy. I haven't even turned on my heated jacket yet and I'm fucking sweating. That's how fucking nervous I am. Truck, you're getting really close to me there, bud. Okay, we're good. We so good. Halfway there. We've entered Millwood, so we're doing okay. Oh, that guy got really close to me. Oh. Yeah, these first snowfalls of the year, they're a little bit testing of the mental capabilities and the physical. It's fucking scary because you gotta trust your tires, and I mean, they don't make winter tires for motorcycles, so I made them myself. So that's like even more sketch, because you're like, oh well, we'll just have to find out if these tires are actually any good or not. You never actually know. It's not like there's any reviews on them. So I'm using Shinko 244s with eye grip studs, and I guess they're working. Yep, I guess that they're working. Jesus Christ, right? Let me let that guy go first. I don't want to be beside him. We're doing alright though. We're maintaining, you know, a reasonable speed for the conditions. I don't want to be that person that's doing like 10 or 20, right? Everyone hates that guy. But no, we're doing alright. So I'm happy with the speed that I'm going. Keeping up with traffic, which is very important because, as I said, people don't like it when you fall behind in traffic. So we're doing alright. I haven't lost traction yet. I shouldn't say that. I should knock on some wood. Unfortunately, I don't have any wood. If I had wood, I would knock on it. Yeah, I shouldn't say that until I actually make it to work. Whew. Please don't turn into my lane. That would be a real big pain. Another thing that you have to be really careful about in these conditions is downshifting. And of course braking. No front brake allowed. Keep your fingers off that front brake. But I mean with downshifting you gotta be really careful, because it takes almost nothing to lock up that rear tire. So, but these tires, they seem to be doing alright in snow. I mean, as alright as they can do. So, pretty happy about that. I made a good decision to switch to the Shinkos instead of keeping the hide nows. I mean, you only know once you try them, which is today, because I'm trying them today. Oh, it's fucking sketch sometimes. I was so nervous on the way. Well, not on the way, but just like the anticipation when it's like the 2 hours before I have to start my commute. And I'm just thinking to myself, like, ooh, will they do good? Nobody knows. Nobody knows if the tires will do good. Not until you try them. But I think the answer to that question, I still can't say that. God, I'm going to hold off on saying that until I actually get to work and park my bike. Because I think it's a bad idea to jinx me. I can't wait till they clear the roads. They better clear them before I get to work. Gotta make a left turn here, which is gonna be sketchy. Sketchy to say the least. Have I mentioned I can't wait till they clear the roads? I cannot fucking wait. Oh, I got a green arrow. I do not want to try and rush that. No fucking way in hell. I guess I'm going anyways. Alright, let me get gas. And then off to work. Early, thankfully. No, I do not need a fucking car wash. Wow. Oh nice, a snowdrift right where I fucking park. Literally right where I park. Alright, cool.